Up for sale, 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle Convertible, finished in red with tan interior and a black vinyl top. It's a little windy out today, so I'm going to try and block the wind at all times while I'm talking. It's 58,000 and some change original miles. The paint is original. The interior is original. It's an all original car, except for a couple little things, which I'll point out. Basically a survivor if you want to look at it that way. But the body is rust-free. The floors are fantastic. So we'll start here in the front on the bumper. As always, I mean, the rubber looks nice. Other than this little indent right there, but the bumper itself, the chrome looks nice. Lower myself down here a little bit. The bezels look nice around the headlights. You see some stone chips there on the front, of course, being original paint. Some other blemishes. There's some checking, but it's like you could tell it's that foreign quality paint where it's really held up over the years. Like just looking in this section here, pristine. On the hood, of course, being made different metal, it wears differently, so there's some of these little specks in here. A few checks there. A couple more specks on this side, but it's the honest, the unmolested aspect that drew my dad to it. See a little bit more there. But again, here is nice. Radial tires with the factory wheels on there. Great look. A couple other marks here. I mean, you're gonna see some marks, of course, from original paint. The glass is mint. I'd like to point something out there in a real second. The only two things wrong, I would say, is from the top's been repaired where the hinges are on both sides when the top folds back down. And then from filling the gas, it's kind of chewed that paint away here and faded a little bit down there. But again, just such a solid, honest car. We're gonna go back to that side. The interior is pristine. And what I noticed was, I made an amateur comment quickly. I'm like, oh, it looks like it's got, new glass. Well, no, the glass is that nice original. The chrome around the glass is pristine. You can see the VW logo there. And I saw that and I keyed on that and I was impressed. Showing you the door though. Zero rust underneath the car. Some more little blemishes there. Little stone chips, little nicks. Supposedly, red with tan is a little harder to come by. Very commonly black interior. And the only other thing that's not original is the console, which is a deluxe console, but I have what I'm told is the original one. And the radio, it's got a Pioneer radio in it. And then they put little speakers here. But the door panel, the original one's mint. The paint in here, with its little common signs of wear, that's super nice. And then right here, 1983, 37,203 miles on that date. Pretty cool. Nice tan seats. You see little, little marks on there, but that's going to happen for being original, but they're nice. There's no rips on them. Steering wheel's nice. It's got a cover over it. But from what I can see, peeling it away, doesn't seem to have any cracks on there, which is nice. So I guess this is preserving it then, even further. No cracks in the dash. All this looks super nice here, all the black. It's an automatic stick shift. I should have mentioned that earlier. 58,460 miles. Again, it's got the cup holder here, with the little cup holder, a little different console. But again, I have the original one. It's in the bonnet, which I will show you now, actually, once I show you the back seat. Back seat's super nice. Door panels, all that. You got seat belts front and rear. Inside of the convertible top is pretty cool as well. Very original, nice, clean, keeping the water out. Visors. And then I took a picture of it. In here, where the top folds into, this section's mint. I just figured like that looks like an area that would rust if it was going to it. Blocking the wind now. Nice to see that it's not. Here's your little bonnet here. I took a picture of that. Took a picture of that. A couple manuals. There's the console there. The super nice finish. The toolkit, owner's manual. I thought that was kind of neat. But the paint in here is original mint. Up there is nice. The way this is finished is nice. The carpet's nice. Can I lift this up quickly? Oh, it's got that insulation under there. I'm not going to go ahead and lift that up now. Just I don't want to take it apart with the wind. But you see this nicely finished. Under hood. Definitely original. Okay, again, no cracks in the glass. Blocking the wind here. See some light checks here. And again, I don't want to spend too much time because, you know, knowing it's original paint sort of speaks for itself that way. But here's the bumper. Bumper is, I would say, just as nice as the front, maybe a little nicer, especially not having an indent in there. But again, here's this. A couple more marks there. Nice engine. Looks to be very original. I always like when they have these on. You can see some marks here. Again, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. 74 Super Beetle Convertible. Oh yes, the 56 is going to California. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyway, sorry about that. You see this again, I mentioned that little marks. I just think it is enough other stuff. I just love original paint and stuff like that. But we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. And then get in for the driving. Thank you.
shift slowly. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
And then downshifts and upshifts.
Mm-hmm. Remember that New Yorker, the fluid drive semi-auto you had to do something goofy with?
Yeah, that was okay too.
Yeah.
But not like the German.
The Germans. I wonder if they use similar kind of paint like the Mercedes.
Like the silver, the 64.
Well, 70s. Like those SEs you like.
Adolf did a good job. Yeah, I missed this trailer.
Can't say that online.
started to do the clutch once the
I know. Handles like a Super Beetle.
Nicely finished. You don't get no draft in here like on the.
Well, no, it's interesting. I like that they did that. Yeah.
The Super. What was that? Oh, Ramon. He's looking at our coffee cups.
Look at him.
I'm gonna park it.
Whenever I text him, he always texts me back hours later.
Really?
Yeah. But it's always responding to that thing that I already did. Like, oh, I gotta send the fax. I'll be right over. I send the fax. See him 3 hours later. He says, okay.